The Cicada and the Ant. The Cicada was happy and enjoyed the summer. The sun was shining, the flowers gave off their essence, and the Cicada sang and sang. Meanwhile, her friend and neighbor, a little ant, spent the whole day working calling food. Friend Ant, don't you get tired of working so much? Read with me, for I sing something for you. The cicada told the ant.
You'd better pick up supplies for the winter and leave you with so much lessons. The ant replied while transporting the grain bushy. The cicada laughed and kept singing without paying attention to her friend. Until one day, upon weekend, he felt the intense cool of winter. The trees had run out of leaves and snow flakes fell from the sky, while the cicada roamed the countryside, thirsty and hungry. He saw in the distance the house of his neighbor, the ant, and went to ask for help.
And friend, I'm cold and angry. Won't you give me something to eat? You had a lot of food and a hot house, while I have nothing.
The ant unbarred the door of his house and told the cicada, "Tell me, my cicada friend, what were you doing while I get up early to work? What did you do while I served with grains from here to there?"
I sang and sang under the sun, replied the cicada.
"Did you do that? Well, if you sang in the summer, no dance during the winter."
And he closed the door, leaving out the cicada with has learned the lesson.